This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea better. The foundation of a great cup starts with your water. Always use fresh, cold, filtered water for the purest taste. Water that has been previously boiled or is distilled lacks the oxygen needed to properly extract the tea's full flavor. High-quality water truly makes a significant difference in your final brew, enhancing every nuanced note. Achieving the perfect cup involves precise temperature and steeping time. Black and herbal teas thrive in boiling water, around 212 degrees Fahrenheit, for robust flavor. However, delicate green and white teas prefer cooler temperatures, typically between 160 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent bitterness. Always consult your tea's specific instructions, as steeping duration greatly influences the final taste. The quality and quantity of your tea leaves are paramount. Opt for high-quality loose-leaf tea over tea bags for a richer, more complex flavor profile. A good rule of thumb is to use 1 teaspoon of loose-leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water, but feel free to adjust this based on your personal preference and the specific tea type. Proper storage in an airtight container also preserves freshness. Your brewing equipment also plays a role in a better tea experience. Always use a clean teapot or infuser that gives the tea leaves ample space to unfurl and release their flavors. Preheating your teapot with hot water helps maintain a consistent brewing temperature. Finally, feel free to personalize your cup with additions like milk, honey, or lemon, but always add them after the tea has steeped to perfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.